Hi everyone, today I will teach you how to cook the best cinnamon roll in the home, and I will tell you also the secret to get good dough for the cinnamon roll. So let's see things we need it. We will need 3 cups of flour, 1 big spoon of yeast, 1 small spoon of baking powder, 1 pinch of vanilla, 1 pinch of salt, and 1 egg, quarter cup of sugar, half a cup of butter and oil, 1 big cup of milk. So let's start. The first step is to make the cinnamon dough. First thing, we will add the flour, the sugar, the baking powder, and the yeast and salt and the vanilla. After adding all this, we will mix them very well with the spoon. Then add the egg. Then we will start adding the milk and the butter with oil and mix them very well till we get a soft dough. And now we get a soft dough, and if you feel that maybe you will need 1 or 2 more spoons of flour, you can add, because it accords to the type of flour you are using, whether it is good or no. Now let the dough be fermented well and come back to see the next step. And now our dough gets fermented well, and now we will sprinkle little flour and put the dough on it and spread it in a rectangular shape. The thickness of the rectangle is about a half centimeter, so we will spread it in a shape of a big rectangle. Now we have spread it into a big rectangle. The thickness is about half a centimeter. And now we will paint it with butter. Then we will sprinkle the mixture, which is cocoa, cinnamon, and sugar. As you can see, I'm painting the rectangle with butter. After painting the rectangle with butter, we will sprinkle the mixture, that's cocoa, cinnamon, and sugar, into it. Also, you have to make sure that the mixture is in all the dough. So now we will roll it in the shape of roll and come again. Here we roll it in the shape of roll. Now we have to cut it from the middle and cut it into pieces. Every piece will be from 2 centimeters wide. As you can see, I'm starting cutting it into pieces, and every piece will be 2 centimeters wide. Now we have cut the roll into pieces and take it into a tray. So now we will let it ferment for half an hour. Then we will put it in the oven on medium temperature in the middle shelf, and it will take color from the top and the bottom. Then turn the grill for it to get roasted from above. Now I will tell you the secret of getting good dough is to let it ferment for a while after kneading and forming. With this you will get good dough for the cinnamon roll. And here the cinnamon gets out from the oven. As you can see, it is so soft and so fluffy. And now we will start adding condensed milk. And here I'm going to add caramel sauce for it. So I wish you tried, because it is good in winter when you are eating it when it's still hot. So don't forget to like the video and subscribe to me to put more videos. Bye, see you in the next video.